We've got a very special guest to talk about what's happening in real estate given the recession and the plenty other opportunities that are coming in. Mr. Mantri, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
How do you perceive this moment in the real estate sector as a moment of opportunity or as a moment of adversity?
I feel it's a moment of opportunity because if you see in a block of 10 years, I think 1 or 2 years such time slowdown is always there.
Yeah.
But 7, 8 years, I don't expect any slowdown should be there.
So you're saying 8 years from now, we are on a good going?
Absolutely. We feel we are almost at a bottom. Maybe in a clock you can say we are at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
I think all good times are ahead us. If you see the 20 to 40 lakh budget segment, the volumes are much larger even what we were not having at peak time.
Does that mean the real buyers have actually come into the market during this
Absolutely.
session?
Because they have seen the peak.
Yeah.
They have seen the prices 100, which they were not able to afford.
Yeah.
Now the prices are already about 70 or 65, and they are coming forward. And today, I would say one of the best time is there to buy because interest rates are the lowest in the history.
Yeah.
Prices are quite low.
But, you know, while you say you're swinging towards good times, at least that's the direction, if nothing else, do you feel that the recovery or perhaps the resurgence in demand is coming in from more homes or commercial or whether it's, you know, potential future real estate that you would have bet on now? What is it? Which segment is driving it?
No, I feel the segment like last 6, 7 years, if you see, we were only focusing only on IT people. Those who are related with IT or BPO services.
Yeah.
But today, interestingly, like last 3 month data, if we see, about 60% people are coming from not IT sector. Okay. They are coming from the bank or industry and other areas.
Malls?
Yeah, they are also coming. Because I think that's what the total change we are observing. And last 6 years, these people were neglected by us also, as well as they also felt the prices are unaffordable and they came forward.
Because the cost-benefit analysis wasn't working. Okay, great. There's plenty more to talk about to our special guest on real estate, recovery and golf. But that's in just a few moments. Take your shot.
7 number.
When did golf happen to you?
No, about 3 years before, I decided to take the membership of the club.
Okay.
And started playing the golf.
Okay. But when you play golf, what is it that you think makes you drive golf and business together? Do you think as a real estate player at some point you would want to do a lot more golf tourism in Karnataka?
No, actually, you know, this in real estate we carry good amount of tensions.
Yes.
And regularly I was going for gym and walk, but that's what not giving a satisfaction. And someone suggested me why not I start with the golf because it gives a good relaxation for the mind.
Right.
And that is how it was a need for the body. And I started looking for and got the membership and started playing the golf.
Did you find that you had a lot of potential clients in business here?
Yeah, sure. When I started playing here, I think I came across many good people, many VIPs. I think it's an excellent place for networking. I would say business networking.
Yeah. What kind of, give us an example. Don't give us names of people that you might have interacted with because I can understand that's confidential. But talk to us about what kind of instances actually drove business towards your company.
See what happened, like, you know, the home is a most preferred subject for many people.
Yeah.
And if you ask 100 people, I think 60 to 70% you will find that they are looking to buy a home or invest in a home.
Right.
And whenever I meet in golf course, all these friends, I think they are looking for that opportunity. This is more from, I am talking from business angle.
Yes.
And here you come across different class of society, different segment, you can come across different views of the people. And being this golf is a little expensive game, you meet to a different level of people. And I think there the interaction become quite interesting and healthy.
So you were telling me about networking and how much business you really get, touch points.
See, I don't think you can call as a very large business is coming from here.
Yeah.
But you can amount maybe less than about 5%.
Yeah.
Definitely I can say. But in our industry, the network helps in the reference point because it's a large investment and people would like to invest with some known people.
That's true.
And this golf course crowd is all coming from high net worth individuals.
Yes.
This reference really helps us in the converting the decision of somebody who may not be the directly playing the golf.
So it's like a place for touch points.
Absolutely.
When you look at just the way recession and real estate have sort of gone together, and you know, a lot of companies have been hit, was there this sense that at any point that hardcore business would take a complete breakdown during this recession? Nobody, I mean, people say this is the worst recession since the Great Depression. So I'm sure psychologically it would have had a big impact on real estate companies.
That's right. Yeah, it has a big impact on the recession because actually, you know, we are in a different type of industry. When prices start going up, people feel like buying more.
Yeah.
It is not something like other industries where prices goes down, people feel like buying. We are exactly in reverse. And when the sentiments are overall down and people don't want to take out their money, I think this real estate industry definitely get affected.
We're going to take a bit of a rain check because as usual, surprise showers in Bangalore and you've got to watch out for them. So we're just taking a bit of a shade here before we continue our game. But it's never a missed opportunity. You know, never have a missed opportunity. So may as well catch up on some real estate trends here on. South as a market, has that been better off than the rest of the country in terms of managing the recession?
I feel yes. Because if you see the north, really the prices are gone up haywire. Almost, I would say, it gone up by 3 times in last 3 years' time.
Okay.
But if you see in the south, except Hyderabad, like Chennai and Bangalore being a conservative market, prices have not gone up too much. Maybe it's about 2.5 times.
But why is that? Do you think the supply demand has been more or less similar? Why is that?
No, here I would say that it's more of a real user market because we have seen in North and Bombay more like wholesale sale take place, like developers sell in a bulk to the wholesalers and these people normally sell further in retail. We don't have this investor kind of speculator wholesale business here.
Okay. But if you don't have it here, I'm also imagining when the boom times are good, you tend to lose out a little bit on their on the rush towards buying bulk property. Do you think that?
No, what happened? Like suppose in a bulk you buy say 100 apartment or 50 apartments.
Yeah.
And when the market goes little going slow down and prices start coming down, these people offload at a much cheaper price because they are pure traders. They just want to make money. But if it is real users like we have in Hyderabad and Chennai and Bangalore, there these people are the genuine buyers.
Okay.
Now even though the prices comes down, they bought for their own requirement.
Correct.
Entire stock don't come in the market. Maybe 10% comes in the market.
Then how are you using this recession towards building up for better times? Because real estate, given that land will always be in scarce, supply, someday or the other real estate market will rebound.
Right.
How are you preparing for that rebound?
No, what happened, like this slowdown we are using to our advantage because prices of each apartment become about 80 lakh to about 1 crore rupees. Now we started designing a compact homes where you can see like about 1,000 square feet or 800 square feet, which earlier we were not doing. Okay. We were feeling it's a waste of time to do a smaller apartment, better to do a big apartment because money was never a problem.
But budget housing is back in a big way. Affordable homes, budget housing.
I agree with you. I think affordable word is little over-exploited now, I would say.
Okay.
See, earlier an apartment of 70-80 lakh rupees was beyond the reach. Now the same apartment with a smaller size, like a 16-bedroom, 3-bedroom, now we are doing at a 1,200 square feet 3-bedroom apartment with a compact size of room and more functional. And our prices also have came down. Designs have improved, which has brought down our construction cost. If you see like 80 lakh apartment now, I think we can easily offer you a 3-bedroom home at about 40 lakh rupees. So I think the credit goes to the design, smaller size, our profit margins coming down.
And strategy thinking about how you look at it.
That's right.
Great.